Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Orr over in Arizona, near Surprise, Arizona, that and the White Tank Mountains. What I want to do here is I read this on the internet. I know it's old. If you've seen this, just skip all of this. But if you've never seen this, as far as mailing seeds in an envelope, you need some washers, regular hose washers. I think they're 3/4 inch hose, um, and some coin flips. Now they have a crease in it, so make sure that when you're using this, that you bend it inwards. So what I'm going to do here is test to see how much weight I can put on that. In fact, I'm going to stand on this envelope, and like I said, I have these seeds. They're pretty old, extra. Um, so what you want to do is take the washer, center it over the cellophane, and let's put the little beans in here. It will fit up to 10 beans. All right. Let me put that on here so you can see that. So the beans are in there, all right? And you're going to close this and then tape it up. Now you can use any kind of tape, but I'm just using some regular Scotch tape here. So carefully close this. Try to center it. That's not too bad. A little bit more this way. Okay, now you'll notice it makes a nice little package there. Okay, a little more tape. Now I probably, when I actually do this, I'm probably going to put tape all around it. So let's do that. All right, there it is. 3 seeds. They're in there. Let's see if you can. Where am I here? Well, okay, now I'll put these right in here, and I'm going to tape it on the inside of the envelope. Now, there's a, if the letter's more than 1/4 inch or something, you're going to get charged. So this should go standard weight, but let's see if it works. Let's see how much weight. I'll just quickly tape it in there so it doesn't run around. All right. I'll just tape the envelope here. All right. Okay, I'm going to put it down on the floor and let's see. Okay, I'm putting it down here on the tile floor. I've circled where it actually is. Now, where can I do this to where? Yeah, I think I can get it right there. Let me move this to just a little bit, right there. I'm going to put my full weight on it. It's about 175 or so pounds. Um, full weight, right there. Okay, let's take a look. All right, I hope this turns out. Okay, let's see. You can actually see where it is right there. Whoops, where I stepped on it. Open it up. Take it out. Seeds are perfect. Let's try it one more time. I'll jump on it or try. I can't jump. I'll try. All right, here goes. I'm next to a counter. I got both hands here. Let's see what I can do here. Let me move this out of the way. I'm going to use my heel. Hey, check those socks out. All right, here we go. I don't think there's going to be much more pressure than that at the Postal Service. All right, let's see. See if they're still rattling in there. Wow. Yes, sir. Unless there's some other method to figure out where the seeds are or what's in the envelope, this will work. That's cool as hell. Hope that helps everybody or anybody. That'd be cool. Later, guys. Have a good one. Or grows here, Arizona. Hey, one other thing. Wait, hold on. One other thing that I forgot how much pressure is there going to be as far as going through a roller. Well, the best I can do is it's right here. Is I'm going to bend that different ways and just see. I don't think there's going to be much more than that. Let's look. Hey, can you hear it? Yep. What I also did is I put some of Fat Bud's 1, 2, 3. There's 10 seeds in there. Blue Dream. I'm going to be doing a giveaway here sometime. Got to give back to the community. And there's 3 Crazy Girl seeds. 3 and 10. Very nice. And here's the test seeds. Still can use them. Hey, you guys have a great day. Let's see, did I forget anything else? No, I think that's about it. You know what time it is? Rockstar time. I should be sponsored by these guys. Should have been drinking these for however long they've been around. Gone through all the flavors. That's my favorite. Have a great day.